Hello everyone, welcome to my unboxing. Today I am unboxing BTS Jin's Echo album. This is the #1 version, and again this is the Target exclusive that includes one photo card of 2. And so I just ran out to Target today to pick up this album. Here's some side views of it, and today is May 17th, Saturday, and this is the special Target version that I hope you have a chance to see in person. So without further much to say, let's go ahead and open this. You know, it's been a little while since I've done an unboxing. I try to get every CD I can for BTS and do a little video. First of all, just the texture. I love these boxes. This one feels a little extra special because it has kind of this canvas feel to it. And let me see if I can figure out how to open this. Oop. Here we are. It's a little tight. And I love the blue color. So as you can tell, this is #1. There's 3 versions, which I'm sure you've seen other videos. And there is a photo card in this little book. Let me see if I can pull it out. There we go. Love that. It kind of has that same cardstock feel in the back. Love that bright color. Set that to the side. I like the blue. I know the other ones come in a pink and yellow. So let's flip through this quickly. I think this special image, this rocker look that he has, is definitely different from his normal visuals. But this is coming out ahead of his world tour. And I hope some of you have gotten tickets to watch the concert. I have, and I'm very excited for it. Let's see here. Very colorful. And this one has a glossy feel to it, though that's kind of nice. Lots of high resolution images. And I thought this was going to be the lyric book, but I think it's just a photo album. Of course, I haven't watched any other videos, so I like to have a good first experience by not watching other videos. So that's the book of images. I've got this. Let's take a look first. Nice little envelope. Let me see if I can open it without tearing it. There we go. Ah, here is the CD. And, oh, all the goodies are in here. Let's set that to the side. So here's the CD. It's very pretty. I like how that blue goes all the way through to the transparent part of the CD. And color. I still have a CD player, so I actually do play these CDs. Oop, here's all the photo cards. Here's the 2 sticker sheets. And just so you can see the photo card better, I'm gonna set it right here. So here are the 2. I think these are the 2. As they say, rock your heart out. And I wonder if this is the extra Target exclusive one. I'm actually not quite sure, but I'm happy. They look great, and I think some of these have the same hairstyle and fashion as the image booklet. This must be the lyrics track list. I like this kind of chocolate blue color. It's almost a purple. 7 tracks. I haven't listened to any of the songs yet except Don't Say You Love Me because the MV was released earlier. I haven't listened to the others. Oh, I like how these pages fold out. That's very cute. Not on this side, just on this side. Let me just move some of this over so I don't flatten anything. And here's the lyrics. bags. Very nice. I love that singing in the car. Just gives me that retro feel. It makes me wonder, can I put a microphone in my car and sing? Maybe not while I'm driving. So this starts opening on this side. I love how it panels out like this. Really nice. So creative and fun. I love how opening each album is different and has a different style. And it's just a fun little storyline you get to go through. So love the colors of this. Love all the goodies. And I'm excited to listen to this album, and I hope you get a chance to get your Target exclusive version also. And thank you so much for listening to my unboxing. Thank you.